Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a donation through the National Trust application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on the More icon down below, which is the third option indicated by 3 dots, and then tap on the fourth option, Donate. Here you can read a small introduction about donation, and then tap on this button, Make a Donation Today. You will be directed to the website of the National Trust. Here you can get to know the donation, the process of donation, find out more about these specs that you can see on the screen. If you scroll down, you can make a donation by tapping on this button, and here you should select these options, whether you would like to give one time donation or you would like to donate monthly. You can also select the amount of your donation, or you can even customize it. And then you should select how would you like your donation to be used, such as where the need is the greatest, coast, nature and wildlife, gardens, buildings and collections, and so on. Or you have the possibility to give your donation to your favorite place by using this search bar in the middle of the screen and typing in the name of the National Trust place. Then you should add your personal information, address detail, contact details, and also you should press this confirm and pay button down below, thereby finishing the process of donation. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.